Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy back with another video. You don't know, back with another video, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, guys. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so you can be notified. So you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. You don't know it, guys. I have some Haitian food for you guys today. Whew, it's been a long time in the making. I told y'all on a previous video that I would be doing Haitian food mukbang for you guys. See, I want to show my face and eat at the same time, but the way things not set up right. I have my pickles right here. Let me see if I bring this around some more. Come on. Alright, I got my pickles right here. This is just cabbage and vinegar and stuff. And I have my little gravy. Let me turn this around. Woo! Let me get up in here. I might use this or I might not. I'm gonna take this back part off. Alright, I wanted rice and beans. Let me put it pretty far. I wanted rice and beans, but he only had black rice left. I never tried. Let me see if I push it back some more. Get this out of the way. Yeah. I never tried the black rice from over there, from his restaurant. If y'all in Tallahassee, y'all already know Chef Lakai. If you want his information, just send me a message on Instagram, which you should be following me at anyways, okay? And I have some Mountain Dew. Whew. No. So I and I thirsty. I went a little late, so he kind of hooked my plate up a little bit. Honestly, it wasn't even late. It was like 4 o'clock. He was like, yo, you came late. Everything's pretty much sold out. I was like, damn. If y'all don't know what griot is, just fried pork. There it is. You gotta dip it in your pickle, okay? You gotta eat them together. You gotta try this black rice, because he was saying people favor the black rice more. If y'all know the correct job, I should ask him the right name for this. I'm gonna call it black rice. Drop me the right name if y'all know. See, it's good, but I like what I like. I like my rice and peas, but they call it rice and beans. That's what I like. And he hooked me up on this pork. Woo. Put some of the pickle on it. Eat it. Oh man. And just the gravy, aka sauce. But the food's so good, I never feel the need for it. Good on its own, baby. Mm. 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 See, I'm not a real big fan of pork anymore. Like this like one of the few times that I would eat pork. Oh, my sister went to California. She got me the San Diego shirt. And and I had to go with it. Mm. Thank you. Thank you. See, I've never been to California yet. I want to go. So many places I want to visit. Mm. Mm. I think he sells the pickles in a jar. You can buy pickles by itself. Get this bone. Honestly, I don't even know when this video is going to be posted. I'm just trying to knock as much video out. Just get it out the way. Because it's a little bit more difficult trying to post a video when you had a long day, you're in a bad mood, you're not in the mood. They come on camera and be all bubbly and jolly and stuff. No, sir. Mm. 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 Yeah, the thing turned open. Mm. Mm. Whew. Here you guys go. This is a Haitian macaroni. Baked macaroni. Mm. You got ground beef, you got onions. Mm. I think use a nice cheese sauce. But yeah, try to make your videos on your days off. Make as much videos as you can. Cause probably during the week you're gonna be busy. You're not gonna have no time. My thing came in a plastic spoon. Usually comes with a fork. But I know since I'm eating out of styrofoam, if I should just use a plastic utensil, but ja. I'm using my good up with a fork. Woo! Ooh. Definitely quench with thirst. See, B Love Life was talking about how expensive it is to be a mukbanger. Some people don't know that. Some people just think you just come sit in front of the camera and just eat. There's more to it. You gotta they don't see the whole behind scene. You gotta pre-plan what you're gonna eat. You gotta edit the video. You're gonna put on some pounds too. I'm putting out these videos for you guys, but shoot. Get it bigger and bigger. Not all the time, unless you only eat once a day. Some mukbang videos, I mean, obviously you're gonna eat again. Especially if you do like a small seafood mukbang. You're gonna be hungry again. At the crawfish one I did, hell yeah. Hell yeah, I ate it. To the yeah. If y'all haven't had Haitian food before, y'all missing out. Y'all sleep. This is the only Haitian restaurant. Well, it's not really a restaurant. He does like catering type thing out of his house. Chef Lakai. Someone said that means like cooking in your house or something. So yeah, he does it out of his house. He's the only person I recommend. The other Haitian food places that they have around here, not up to my standards. I'm not even Haitian, but not up to my standard. I know what I like, and this one right here delivers. It seems like a lot, but the bowl, the container, is very shallow. You're gonna be like, oh, she gonna ate a whole big old thing of food. Put our lip, baby. Guys, I got this mango, but the mango walks in the, they make it sit on too long. And it's softy. If you're still here watching this, let me turn this way. If you're still here watching, don't forget to subscribe. Best Haitian food in town, house. Honestly, low-key, I wouldn't mind just moving to a small island, smaller than Jamaica. You know, Jamaica expensive. Somewhere real small and tiny. Just live the island life, laid back, chill, no rush, no headache. You know what I'm saying? That would be the ultimate treat. One day. One day I'm just pack my stuff and move to a small little island, baby. Baby. I'm not gonna lie, he hooked me up on this food. Like, he did a really, really good job. Thank you. I think that's it. That's it for me. Ooh. Ooh. Please let me drop it. Guys, this is what I do to grow my hair. I just put in some braids in there. And just let my natural hair do its thing. Just put some protective style. And just spray it with some natural roots growing hair growth spray thing. That's what I do. My hair be looking nice when I take these braids out. Woo! And I just keep it out for a couple days. Let it rest, let it breathe a little bit. Then boom. Putting back some little cheap braid in my hair. So I can protect my natural hair. Because y'all know if I leave my hair out, I ain't gonna wrap it up at night. I ain't gonna twist it up. I ain't gonna do nothing to it. I'm just lay. I'm gonna just sleep on it. Where it's gonna damage it. It's gonna break my ends. Then I gotta cut it. Next thing you know, I'm gonna just start all over again. I'm just have to cut my whole hair off again. Start all over. No. So I'm trying to do right by my hair to this time around. Okay. So this is the best way for me. Keep it up in some braids. If y'all have any other suggestions or how y'all do y'all hair, let your girl know. Okay. Guys, I got the heater on. I'm crazy. My temperature is like all over the place. I got the heater on because it's cold outside. When I'm doing this video, it's hot and I have the fan on. And I got the light on right here. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more what's on this. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Okay, bye. Stay fluffy. Stay fluffy. Bye.